Well, your house is gone.
Well, thanks, Jim. I appreciate you telling me that. You know, I kind of could tell by all the ashes and the residual smoke and the smell of my furniture burning that my house.
Yeah, the fire plum got it.
It did. It tore it right down. That was a good fire. That was a strong fire.
Yeah.
Took it right down to the. I've never seen concrete burn. Have you seen concrete burn?
I have not, but you know what? I found the smoke alarm fully intact.
Wait a minute. You're telling me my entire house burnt down, but the smoke alarm was fully intact?
Fully intact.
100% fully intact.
That is one fireproof smoke alarm.
Why on earth, when the builders made my house, did they not make my entire house out of the same material as the smoke alarm?
Budget cuts.
Budget. Jim, you are the HOA president here, and you are also the president of the building company.
Right, we had to make some decisions at the time of the building of the homes of this neighborhood.
Flashback to those decisions. Listen, Keith.
Yeah, Keith, listen up.
Yeah, Keith. Yeah. Keith, listen, all right? Your ears open?
Both of them?
Both of them? You willing to take in this information? Huh, stupid?
Idiot.
I'm going to take that as a yes. Just a dumb-faced yes.
Let's just get down to the business and make the decisions that need to be made here.
You got this material,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't burn at all. Now, imagine yourself. You're sleeping, right? You're sleeping.
Soundly.
Soundly. You got a dumb look on your face because you're dreaming about stupid shit. Yeah, like that. Like, yeah.
That
Like-
one.
All right. And guess what? Your house is all around you, right? What happens if if your fire alarm catches on fire? It's not going to wake you up.
Yeah.
Well, we can't have that.
No, you can't have that, Keith. Even you're not so stupid that you can't realize that you can't have that. So, we make, all right, you ready for this? We make the smoke alarms out of this material.
Genius.
I
Yeah.
know. I know. Problem is, super expensive.
Ah.
I'd like to be able to make the whole house out of this. I really would. I really
Ah.
to save all these dumb families who end up having fires.
That's right. More people need more houses.
That's right.
More money for us.
More people, more houses, more money for us.
Okay, well, let's say the smoke alarm does its job, right? Wakes the idiot up.
Wasted. Yeah.
What's the idiot supposed to do? There's a fire. Put it out.
How do you think the idiot's going to do that? Is he a fireman?
Yeah.
God
Is his
damn.
name Jim?
Yeah. Jesus Christ, Keith. Are you even trying here? It's like you're not even trying. Tiberius, is he trying?
Not at all.
Not at all.
You're the worst. I hope you burn in your house without a fire alarm.
Hey, my house did burn down without a fire alarm.
That's what you get, idiot.
Cut back to the future. Well,
Dad conference.
yeah.
Back to the future?
Yeah. Well, to the present, but it's the future from when you guys were at.
Right.
It,
Go
it
ahead.
doesn't even matter because I don't think Jason's name was Keith in the first
That's
season.
okay. I'm gonna fix that now. I'm gonna fix that now.
Not sure who Keith is, but
That's you.
okay.
That was your name before you changed it, maybe.
Oh,
When I chose the name Keith, I was thinking it was going to be Kevin, but Kevin was like, hard no, I am not.
I thought you were
We got
talking to Jason. So I'm sorry.
That's okay.
All right, we'll fix.
What's
Bright.
that? I got it.
Yeah. All right.
Jim. Look, I mean, you should have had the balls enough to just say, "Hey, here's the deal. I'm not gonna build houses out of flammable material, and yet make the fire alarms inflammable." That's not the way. That sounds like something that somebody named Keith would do. But you're Jim.
That's right. Keith's an
As
idiot.
long as I've known you, you've been Jim.
That's right. Keith's an idiot.
And a Jim would stand up for himself.
That's right.
A Jim would have the balls and the intestinal fortitude to say, "Hey, I'm not gonna do that shit."
Right.
Back to the
That's
future.
why when I saw your house on fire, I knew that smoke alarm would tell you what you needed to know.
Back to the future's past. And I'm afraid since we don't have a lot of money, we're gonna have to make the concrete out of cardboard.
But we could paint it to look like concrete.
Yeah, that might be the smartest thing you've ever said, you idiot.
What? Are you bowing up on me, Keith?
What?
Are you bowing up on me?
No, I'm just saying we just make it look like concrete so that the people that buy the house think they bought a concrete house.
I get it. I'm not the one confused.
And then when I go to sell the house, I try to light the smoke alarm on fire, and it won't burn, but it makes a noise, and people go, "I gotta buy this house." Not even the smoke alarm burns.
All right. Side note. Hey, Keith, give us a second. Tiberius, I need to talk to Tiberius for just a second.
Oh yeah, sure.
That idiot's talking about committing arson.
What do we just let this play out?
I mean, he's talking about he's gonna burn down every house we make. Just to prove that. I mean, granted, I'm very proud of the fact that we have flame retardant fire alarms.
Yeah.
But I mean, we don't need to be lighting houses. I mean, idiots are gonna light the houses on fire by themselves. We don't need to be a part of that.
He was talking about being like the HOA president and everything too. I think he's
being a real Jim.
scheme.
Real scheming Jim. You know the phrase.
Can't
Back
trust him.
to the future. Jim, I just feel like you sold me a box of lies.
Now I would never do that. Jim would never do that to you.
I know, Jim. Right now you're striking me more as a Keith.
No, don't say that. I gotta tell you, I don't feel like Keith internally. I don't. I feel like a Jim personally. And as a Jim, as an HOA president, I need to inform you that your home is not up to code.
What in the bloody hell? You built my house out of flammable material. You made my fire alarm unflammable. And now you're telling me my house is not up to code. What are you going to do? Fine me?
That's the next step in the process.
You know what? I don't think you're a Jim or a Keith. I think you're a Herbert.